Here are some Lagos State news for you. Governor Sanwo-Olu champions public-private synergy for Lagos CBDs. Governor Sanwo-Olu calls for deeper private sector involvement to transform Lagos central business districts. Represented by Deputy Governor Dr. Obafemi Hamzat, Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu emphasized that revitalizing CBDs like Marina and Ikeja is crucial for small-medium enterprise growth. The administration is streamlining regulations to make Lagos an irresistible destination for global investors. Lagos intensifies drive for sustainable and safe blood supply. Health Ministry targets 250,000 units of blood annually to meet rising medical demands in Lagos. Commissioner for Health, Professor Akinabayemi, has launched a massive sensitization campaign to promote voluntary blood donation. With the state currently meeting 70% of its target, the government is digitizing the Lagos State Blood Transfusion Service to ensure every point is screened and safe for emergencies. Energy Ministry demands excellence and productivity from staff. Commissioner Bayodun Ogunleye charges Energy Ministry staff to prioritize humanity and professionalism. During a strategic engagement in Alausa, the Ministry of Energy and Mineral Resources reaffirmed its Energy for All goal. Leadership urged staff to see themselves as people managers, emphasizing that efficient service delivery is the only way to protect Lagos electricity consumers from exploitation. Health Service Commission commences 2026 Hospital Transformation Tour. Dr. Abimbola Mabagunje begins a statewide assessment of 26 general hospitals to enhance healthcare delivery. The newly appointed permanent secretary of the Health Service Commission has kicked off the 2026 transformation exercise at Massey Street and Lagos Island Maternity. The initiative aims to identify infrastructure gaps and provide the support needed to ensure world-class care for Lagosians. Badagry LG chairman commends NGOs for youth medical outreach. Honorable Babatunde Hunpy pledges to foot surgical bills for children following a successful eye and dental outreach. In collaboration with the Restore Foundation for Child Sight, the Badagry local government provided free screenings and glasses to hundreds of youths. The chairman lauded the initiative, stating that health interventions remain a priority for his administration in the historic coastal town. Lagos convenes landmark dialogue to strengthen primary health care. State and local government leaders unite to reposition primary health care as the bedrock of Lagos health. The Lagos State Primary Health Care Board convened a historic meeting with all 57 local government and local councils development areas chairmen. The dialogue focused on improving facility security, staffing, and funding to ensure that grassroots healthcare is accessible to the estimated 30 million residents of the state. Lagos government launches free music production masterclass. Ministry of Wealth Creation empowers young creatives through the Echo Studio Culture initiative. In partnership with Dreams Studio, Ikorodu, the Lagos government has begun a free masterclass for aspiring music producers. The program aligns with the Themes Plus agenda to harness the creative economy and provide youths with industry-standard sound engineering and business skills. LASCOET implements digital transformation with enterprise resource planning training. Lagos State College of Health Technology adopts enterprise resource planning to modernize academic records. Following NBTE directives, LASCOET is transitioning to a unified digital platform to manage student data from admission to graduation. Provost Professor Rahim Akawashola noted that the enterprise resource planning system will eliminate manual record keeping and streamline compliance with the Ministry of Education and National Youth Service Corp. Office of Education Quality Assurance begins statewide school monitoring. Office of Education Quality Assurance deploys evaluators across 6 districts to ensure school safety and academic readiness for the new session. Director General Dr. Suleiman Ogunmayiwa is leading a 10-day monitoring exercise to assess both public and private schools. The focus remains on learner safety and ensuring that teaching begins effectively from the first day of the academic calendar. Lagos charts path for sustainable waterfront development and safety. Commissioner Deo Bushelebiosu reaffirms the state's commitment to safe waterfront habitation and modern jetties. While addressing urban regeneration in Makoko and Awaran-Shoki, the Ministry of Waterfront Infrastructure Development emphasized the danger of living under power lines. The state also announced the deployment of durable floating concrete pontoons to modernize water transport. TCN seeks Lagos support to protect vital power corridors. Transmission Company of Nigeria calls for an end to illegal structures under high-tension lines in Lagos. The regional management visited Lasbima to discuss the risks posed by urban encroachment on transmission rights of way. The company warned that building under power lines causes grid disturbances and poses a fatal risk to residents. Public art installation, Resilient Youth, unveiled in Ikeja. New sculpture at Ikeja City Mall roundabout celebrates the creativity and strength of Lagos youths. Unveiled by the Ministry of Tourism, Arts and Culture, the Resilient Youth artwork was created by former core member Alauke Whale. The installation highlights the role of art in urban regeneration and the state's commitment to providing platforms for young artists. Noise pollution identified as top environmental complaint in Lagos. LACIPA shuts 244 facilities in 2025 as noise complaints dominate environmental reports. General Manager Dr. Babatunde Ajayi revealed that noise pollution accounted for over 3,300 of 8,437 cases handled last year. The agency has intensified enforcement against worship centers, clubs, and warehouses to protect the mental and physical health of residents. Lagos State Primary Healthcare Board and local leaders unite to reposition primary healthcare. Grassroots leaders pledge to increase funding and supervision for community health centers. During a high-level dialogue, local government chairmen resolved to work closer with the Primary Health Care Board. The focus is on achieving universal health coverage by ensuring community clinics are the first point of call for quality medical attention. For more Lagos State news, subscribe to our channel, follow and visit us at DiasporaNews.ng.